Let's dive into designing online user experiences. It's all about inspiring delight and creating positive transformation for everyone involved.
Okay, after Melasti, we went to Geger Beach. At Geger Beach, along the way we went to Geger Beach, we saw some deforestation, a huge deforestation around. It's near after the camping ski, if I'm not mistaken, there is a bridge, and below the bridge there is so many deforestation, and we saw so many monkeys going around, and we don't know yet what is the project, what will be that place will be, and then we went to Geger Beach. On Geger Beach we fly drone and to see, and we saw the Geger Beach is pretty empty, and also as I told you previously, I learned how to fly the drone using hand at that place as well. And then we went to Hanoi restaurant. We tried to eat a Vietnamese restaurant, which previously I had a bad experience with Vietnamese food when I ate dinner with Mayana in Jogja. I think Vietnamese food was bad. When we ate in Hanoi, it's pretty good actually. The meatball is good, and the noodle is good, the soup is good, and it's a kind of good experience to Vietnamese food. And I think it is also healed my mental fatigue today because I'm tired physically, and I think 70% and 30% is mentally, and it healed by 10%.
It's all about inspiring delight and creating positive transformation.